Welcome to our channel. If you're confused about account types, follow these step-by-step instructions to choose between money market, savings, and checking accounts. Step 1. Understand that checking accounts are for frequent transactions. These accounts allow unlimited withdrawals and are designed for paying bills and everyday spending. Step 2. Know that savings accounts are for accumulating money and earning interest. Federal regulations traditionally limited savings withdrawals to 6 per month, though this rule was suspended. Step 3. Learn that money market accounts combine features of checking and savings. They often offer higher interest rates than regular savings with limited check writing and debit card access. Step 4. Compare interest rates across all 3 account types at multiple banks. Money market accounts typically offer the highest rates, followed by savings, then checking accounts. Step 5. Evaluate minimum balance requirements for each account type. Money market accounts usually require higher minimum balances than savings or checking accounts. Step 6. Consider your transaction needs when choosing accounts. If you need frequent access to funds, checking is best. For long-term savings, choose savings or money market accounts. Step 7. Look at fees charged by each account type. Money market accounts may have monthly fees if balances fall below minimums, while many checking and savings accounts are free. Step 8. Use multiple account types for different purposes. Keep spending money in checking, emergency funds in savings, and larger reserves in money market accounts for optimal management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.